Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a little bit something different that I purchased yesterday at my local hobby shop. And it's this very nice Iwata Eclipse HP-CS airbrush. Now, I already own an Iwata airbrush. I own the HP-C Plus. And it's a very nice brush, but I needed to get another one for work because the one I have, I lost a piece and I need to finish a job at work. I'm working on a TV show and I've ordered a replacement part, but it will be here for a few days, but I need this for Tuesday. So opening the box, we get a nice little sticker, which I will be putting on my little box. Here we have a gravity feed airbrush quick start guide. And it tells you how to put the paint in it, how to use the trigger, and how to clean it. There's a manual that you can get. There is a MAC valve on this one, I believe. Let's check. No, is there? We'll have to check. In any case, that's the little pamphlet they give you. I guess this is a sample of what you're able to do. I would guess that this is a test from the factory to make sure it works. All right, and here you have some lube, the world famous Iwata lube. Use 1 drop to lubricate the airbrush needle, packing O-ring, and 1 drop for the trigger O-ring. All right, and then here, yeah, this doesn't have a MAC valve. This thing's got a real heft to it, I have to say. Another thing that you're getting is you get a wrench. And this is for all these nozzles at the front, I assume. Right there like that. This is a pretty tiny wrench. Anyways, we'll put that back. Unfortunately, my air compressor is at work, so I won't really be able to use this today.
You'll outlive all of us, Max.
It's a very nice piece. So what does this say? So that's my new airbrush. I actually got it on sale because it was a Canada Day sale, so that's good. 30% off.
So all I have left to say is, in the meantime and in between time, that's another edition of Jet Scale Models. Y'all come back now, you hear?